When something happens to you, when you have difficulty with a person or a group of people and a situation, are you matching the power and the energy in that situation, or are you shrinking? Here's a secret that most people don't know. If you can tap into the law of polarity in these situations and you match the polarizing force that is coming your way, this will resolve the situation for you. Because you can imagine this as like a battery. So every time you go into your default reaction, which for most people, if you're empathic, if you're sensitive, would be to dim your light, to dull your power, to come back and be soft and gentle when this like fiery attacking energy is coming towards you. When you do that, remember opposites attract. So this fiery energy is coming to you and you're pulling back, which is allowing that to come in. What we want to do is work with the law of polarity and match it. So remember, opposites attract, similar repels. So if you imagine a battery or a magnet, if you can send that same frequency out, this will resolve the situation. So to do this, you firstly just want to make sure you're in your power, and you can literally imagine, you can imagine this now, like literally imagine your body becoming tall, your posture tall, your chest puffed out, taking up space, and imagine your energy pushing out. Okay, so that's quite an easy kind of visualization. You can literally physically move your body. Then you want to ask yourself, what are the traits or what are the types of behaviors or the types of energies that are coming through in this scenario, in this dynamic from this person? So let's say, for example, controlling, selfish, manipulative. This is something I had going on recently. You can then ask yourself, how do I become healthy controlling, healthy manipulative, healthy selfish? And this is things like boundaries, self-care, whatever that thing is for you. Remember, this is your authentic expression of that. Then you start to embody that. So you state the boundaries, you share the thing you're angry about, you allow yourself to even just with yourself go into a practice of sacred rage, write it out in a journal, like whatever that thing is for you, whether it's something you need to speak, whether it's something you need to embody, whether it's you cut someone off, you block someone, like you need to match that energy, because what is feeding that cycle is those two opposites attracting. So as soon as you go into the opposite of your default, this matches the energy, and that also leads to your quantum leap, because each of these situations is also showing you a mirror to something inside of you. And once you embody the healthy trait of that thing, you become whole. And what happens in the quantum field? Atoms attract to like-minded atoms. I normally do this with two hands. I'm holding the phone in the other. So you then vibrate at that frequency of wholeness, and then this leads to your quantum leap. This changes your entire reality, your entire existence. Let me know in comments if this has helped you today.